So you've received an official summons for jury service. Now what? Well, first you need to figure out if you actually can serve. Most everyone can. But there are circumstances that will either disqualify or excuse you from serving. Let's take a look at disqualifications. If you aren't a U.S. citizen, if you don't live in Osceola County, or if you aren't 18 or older, you are disqualified and can't serve. You are also disqualified if you have a pending criminal case or have been convicted of a felony and your rights haven't been restored yet. Fun fact: the governor, the lieutenant governor, a cabinet officer, the clerk of court, or a judge are also disqualified from serving. If any of these reasons apply to you, you can't serve, but you still have to let the courts know. And the easiest way to do that is online. Go to our website and navigate to the Osceola County Juror webpage. Click on Disqualification, Excusal, Deferral tab. This will take you to the Jury Plus Web Solution login page. Enter your badge number, which you'll find on your jury summons in red font, and enter your birth date using the number format, including slashes. Once in Jury Plus Web Solutions platform, click the Request for Excusal or Disqualification tab on the left and select the appropriate disqualifying reason from the drop-down menu. Hit Submit, and you are all set. So that covers disqualifications. But what about excusals? If a disqualification means that you are ineligible to serve, an excusal means that you can serve but are released from serving in this instance. If you are pregnant or have custody of a child under 6 while working a full-time job, you can request an excusal. You can also be excused if you're a full-time law enforcement officer with wide arrest powers, a caregiver for someone unable to care for themselves, or under 22 and going to school full-time. And, fun fact, if you're over 70, you can request to be permanently excused from serving. If any of these apply to you, you need to let the court know. And the steps to do that are the same as for disqualifications. Go to our website and navigate to the Osceola County Juror webpage. Click on Disqualification Excusal Deferral tab. This will take you to the Jury Plus Web Solutions login page. Enter your badge number, which you'll find on your jury summons in red font, and enter your birth date using the number format including slashes. Once in Jury Plus Web Solutions platform, click the Request for Excusal or Disqualification tab on the left and select the appropriate reason you are requesting an excusal from the drop-down menu. Hit Submit, and you are all set. If none of this applies to you, then you will be expected to serve on the reporting date listed on your summons. However, if you have a hardship that you feel prevents you from serving, you can request to be excused by emailing a detailed explanation to jury staff at osceolajury@ocnjcc.org. That email must be received at least 10 business days before you are scheduled for jury service. A judge will review and decide on every single request, usually within 5 business days. You can check the status of your request on the Jury Plus Web Solutions platform by logging in with your badge number and birth date. If your hardship is a medical condition that prevents you from serving, your doctor needs to complete a medical excuse form, which you can find on the Osceola County Jury webpage. The completed form will be reviewed by a judge, so this also needs to be emailed to jury at least 10 business days before you are scheduled to serve. So here we are again. If none of this applies to you, then we'll see you when you report for jury service. But what if you just can't make it on the day you are scheduled? No worries. We know life is busy, and some days might be better for jury service than others, so every juror is allowed to reschedule once. You get to pick the new date, but you have to pick a date within a 6-month window from when you were originally scheduled. To reschedule, you'll log in to the Jury Plus Web Solutions platform. Click the Request Schedule Change tab on the left, and select any day from Monday through Thursday within that 6-month window that works best for you. Hit Submit, and you are all set. But choose wisely. You can only reschedule once, and you must report on the date you choose. You'll receive a new summons in the mail about 5 weeks before your rescheduled date. Remember, if you can't serve, you must notify the courts. If you can serve, check out our next video. I'm here to serve, now what?